welcome back to my channel. So today I have a clothing haul for you guys, and I'm really excited because I haven't done one of these in what I feel like is almost a year. Obviously this year's been kind of crazy. I feel like creating content for me personally has just been a bit all over the place. Today all my clothing items are from Pretty Little Thing. I've done quite a few videos with Pretty Little Thing in the past on my channel, and it just feels super natural because it is one of the places I do shop at one of the most frequently, even though I haven't been buying clothes that much this year. Today I have kind of a mixture of items, but pretty much everything is circulating as we're going into the colder months. So I'm not going to ramble too much. I'm going to show you guys the items that I picked out, and hopefully you guys get inspired. All of the links to the clothing items will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also be sure to follow my Instagram, which is just Leyla. The first item that I can see are these boots, because they're literally just, how can you ignore these? I definitely feel like I'm more of a trainer girl when it comes to shoes, but I love the look of boots. These boots are amazing because they come up really high. They stop just below my knee. They're fully laced up. I got these in a size 3 because I have pretty small feet, to be completely honest with you. But sometimes I do like to go a little bit bigger because I feel like when it comes to the winter time, sometimes you want to wear like fluffy socks and stuff. I could imagine wearing this with like an oversized shirt if I was going to have my legs out in this time of year. If I was going to be brave enough, then I could imagine wearing boots like this because it covers up a lot of your leg. I feel like if I was going to wear a dress or something, wearing these would just really edge it up for me, and I feel like because I'm not the girliest girl out there, that's definitely more my speed. The next thing that's peeking out from my little pile of clothes is this plaid shirt. I just feel like, what is fall or autumn without a plaid shirt? This one is really, really nice. It's a mixture of red, it's a mixture of navy, and I think black as well. It's just like a very lumberjack feel, you know what I mean? Are we feeling lumberjack vibes? Yeah. I personally really like to layer this time of year if I am going to be going out. So this paired over a hoodie would be really cool. This paired underneath a jacket would be really cool. There's just a lot that you can do with plaid. I feel like I could do an entire video just on what you can do with these shirts. There's just literally so many things that you can do. So of course I had to chuck that in there because it's just so perfect. And this mixed with this. I have a long sleeve t-shirt next, and it's in this grey colour with green and yellow on it, kind of like a high school basketball style t-shirt. I really love long sleeve t-shirts, especially when I'm feeling like I want to wear a sweatshirt but it's not quite cold enough for it, or I feel like I'm gonna get hot. I feel like it's a good transitioning piece for when we're moving into the colder months. In some of the countries that you guys are in, I'm sure it's not as cold as it is here in the UK, so you might want to go for something like this instead of a sweatshirt. Speaking of sweatshirts, I have this one that I'm wearing. It's so nice. I picked this up and I just love it so much. It's this grey tie-dye with a print of Los Angeles on the front. Kind of has like a graffiti vibe to it. I just really, really love that. It's got like a ripped hem at the bottom. It's cropped. I feel like this is just good for chill vibes. Next up we have this cropped jumper, which is just ultimate fall and autumn vibes. It's a nice nude warm brown shade, and I just think that if fall was a color, I feel like it would be this, because it's just like the color of leaves when they fall. It's like, it reminds me of that. It's very warm, but it is quite cropped, so just bear that in mind. It does have a toggle at the bottom as well, so you can kind of tighten it around your stomach area even more to give it that nice secure fit. So if you don't like things that are too cropped, this might be a little bit too short for you. You can always wear something underneath this, bear in mind. I don't like showing too much of my stomach, but if that's what you like, you will love this, just because it's so comfortable, it's so warm, and it's just very like cozy looking as well. It's cozy looking and it's cozy feeling, so I just feel like it's perfect for this time of year. Next up I have some tracksuit bottoms, and these probably are one of my favorite pieces from the entire haul. It's so nice. It has a print all the way on the bottom. It's white. It's like a really nice grayish blue tie-dye, and it just kind of reminds me of the sky. Like when I look at this, it looks like the sky, and I'm just obsessed. It fits really well for me. This is a part of the curve range. This is a very, very flattering shape, so I really love this. I got this in a size 6, even though I'd normally go for like a size 8, just because I had a feeling that there'd be a bit of extra room in this, and I was definitely right. So I sized down because it just fit definitely a lot better, and there was a lot more length than I thought there was going to be too. Next we have this hoodie, and this is so nice. It's this really beautiful like faded orange color. I actually already have this hoodie in another color. It's the gray with pink writing, and I was obsessed with that. So when I saw this, I was like, I need to. Hoodies are just my go-to when it comes to this season. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, and I'm getting it oversized. Next, I have this oversized shirt, and I don't even know how to explain this. I don't know if this is corduroy. I can't even remember what this is actually called, but the material is like that striped velour feeling. I don't even know what this is called. I'm sorry, I'm doing such a bad job at explaining, but this is so nice. It's giving me such 90s vibes. Plus it has this like duo color arm, and the buttons are just really cool. I'm just loving this. It's really nice. It's quite long and it just fits so nice. I just can't wait to style this. I'm honestly so excited to wear that because it's unlike anything that I have. I feel like that will look so good with jeans, kind of playing up on the natural colors, whites, jean color. So next I have some t-shirts. The first one being this purple one. This is so cute. It says strength and power on it. I just really love it, and I really love this purple color. I don't own a lot of purple things, I feel. This will look so good just casual wear, wearing it with some tracksuit bottoms or with some oversized jeans as well. I also have this red tie-dye crop top. I miss wearing red so much. Like I don't wear red nearly as much as I used to. I used to be obsessed with red. So when I saw this, I was like, ooh, I'm getting my red vibes back, and it's tie-dye as well. So it's definitely in trend, and I just really love this. Also, it's got an elasticated hem at the bottom, which means you can kind of tuck it underneath, and I really love that vibe anyway. I tuck a lot of my tops underneath my sports bra, underneath when I'm wearing it. So I just feel like this fits that vibe really nicely, and the fact that it's elasticated just saves you the worry of having to make sure it's always tucked in. Another one of my favorite pieces from this entire haul, this print top in this gray color. I just love the gray with the red, and then of course the basketball, like high school basketball print as well. I love this. I think this will look so good with denim. I can imagine this with some jeans, like oversized mom jeans, and just have that retro 90s vibe. I love a good 90s vibe. I love it. Finally, I have two jackets. First one is this dark denim crop jacket. I love denim. I love denim jackets. I love wearing jeans. I don't have any in that dark color, and I also love that it's a little bit cropped as well. I like having a mixture of lengths in my denim jackets as well. So this one's a little bit more cropped. It's not too overly cropped, which is nice. I'm not a fan of super cropped denim jackets, but because it's a little bit shorter, it just means that you kind of have a little bit more flexibility with the things that you wear it with. Finally, I have my winter jacket, which I am going to be wearing all winter. I'm so excited because honestly, finding a good jacket that you can wear, especially in the UK, is super important, because for me, I very rarely dress appropriately for the weather. I feel like I'm always cold. This is gonna keep me warm. It's actually reversible, which I think is amazing. It's quite furry on the inside. It's very soft, and it's got a nice like satin kind of look on the outside, but you can also flip it around to have an entire fur coat. It has a hood, but I feel like I'll probably be wearing this mostly with the fur on the inside, because I just know it's gonna keep me warm, and I'm obsessed. I'm so in love with this. This is oversized, so I decided to get it in a size, hold on. Got it in a size 6, and it's still really big, so bear in mind it is quite oversized. So guys, that's all the stuff I picked up from Pretty Little Thing this time. Thank you so much to Pretty Little Thing for sponsoring this video. I love their clothing, and I love that I've got so many pieces now for this time of year, because I was lacking for sure. Let me know if you want to see more hauls again, because it's definitely been a while since I have done a clothing haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other content you want to see on this channel. It would really help me out, so I know if you want to see more clothing stuff, more hair stuff, more makeup stuff, let me know, because honestly this year's been a weird one, and I feel like everyone just feels the same way. We're just like, I don't know what I'm doing. I am so grateful for all of you. Thank you so much for the love and support as always, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.